पता है सिस्टम लूल हो गया था।
अरे अचानक मैं देख रहा हूँ कनेक्शन लॉस्ट दिखा रहा है, कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, हो क्या गया?
इसलिए ना कहते हैं पैसा बचा के क्या कीजिएगा, ना लैपटॉप ले लीजिए।
ये देखिए, ये महान आदमी को, मतलब गाड़ी में तेल खत्म तो गाड़ी ही खरीद लीजिए, मतलब पेट्रोल पंप बोलिएगा फिर खरीद ले। क्या बात है। तो ये क्लियर हुआ या नहीं हुआ? हैड यू गॉट क्लियरिटी?
यस सर, यस।
श्वेता,
Yes,
शिवानी,
sir.
हैड यू गॉट? Is this clear?
हाँ, sir.
That how the flow is working, how we have to think the logic? This is the way actually. Okay. By this way we can think, means just start writing wrong code, it's not the issue. Just take the picture in the debug mode and take that where is the mistake. On each step you can modify, but if you will think that on single shot you have to complete, you will not get. Okay, so go a step by the step, one step, it will fine, you will got complete clarity. See, I'm not going debug mode because it's taking too much time, that's why. Now itself more than half an hour it's taken. Okay, so we know that how to iterate that string with the help of for. Then we know that how to iterate the array, we just this is going on. Then how to iterate the set, we already seen this. How to push, how to iterate the map, we can do the same thing. Now this become finish. Clear? Had you got or not? This is also just a normal topic, just within 5 or 10 minutes it will finish. But let it to be, this will complete later. Number and re or operator, more method. Let it to be 1 second, just let me check. Converting data to a string, converting booleans to number, automatic string conversion. Do one thing. It will take just 10 minutes. We already know this topic. Can I continue?
Sure.
So we will cover tomorrow. We will start object. Object will take time actually. Object and functions, those will take time. So slowly we will move in those one. So
but we already aware about that object now. It will be not take more.
Yeah, we already know that. So it will not much more, but little bit we will again do the practical more thing. So what is the type of? Already we know, if you have to check the type of any data type, we can go with the type of. Same thing is there. So what are the different data types are available in the, means like Java, Python, .NET, all languages having different data type. But JavaScript having some few only. It have not much more differentiate. So there are 5 main different data types. Okay, like a string, number, boolean, object, function. These are the main most. After that, there are 6 types of objects. Objects are a different type. That is object. Object itself is the object. Date is the object. Why? Because we was writing date with the parenthesis. Correct or not? Date we was writing like this way, and then we was getting all the method of a date. Sorry, with the help of a new. First we create the object, and then we was getting date, parenthesis, and dot get time. See, get hour, get month, everything came. So this was object. Second, array, string, number, boolean, and 2 data types that cannot contain value, that is null and undefined. And in ES6, 2 more data type came, that is which one? Can anyone tell? Symbol, and another one is big int. This both data type came. We will learn this both in the ES6 itself, means upcoming topic. But this both again came, symbol and big int. Big int, suppose int integer, like in Java and in Java already some integer having some scope, like this much character you can store there. So if that means comparing to that much, if it will get extra than that character, so we will move with the big int. But here there is no concept like that, we have to pass. But when you going to store more data, more length character, so you can go with the big int. So in ES6 big int came. and symbol is there. We will check that later. So type of it going to check the type of operator. So if be passing type of, it will give that a string or number, or whether true or false, then boolean or array or object. So in both cases we will get the object. So for that, if we want to check each, we can check that already we know. If we will check null, that is type of object, or function, then what is the type of? Type of is the function. Clear? Or anyone have any doubt in type of operator? If you have doubt, then also I will not clear. You cannot use type of to determine a JavaScript object is an array or a date. Means if array is there, so in the array or object, how we can check that type of? Means how we can differentiate in array and object?
Sir, array should be in bracket, and other things we will check is array.
Yeah. So with the help of each array, it will give true or false. We can check that whether it's a true, means it's like array or object. So next is the primitive data type. Okay. So what is primitive data type? So primitive data value is a single simple data value with no additional properties and method. And type of the operator can return one of these primitive type. Means when we will check the value, it will give a string, number, boolean, undefined, like that. It will not give a key, means that object or array like that. Okay, function, those are not comes under the primitive. It's nothing, no need this one. Yeah, but already who all had studied Java, they know that what is primitive data type, and but another is the user defined data type. I think user defined or any other name. Or next one, or you can tell non-primitive, that's fine. So we can check the value. Next is complex data. What are the complex data? So the type of operator can return one of two complex type, that is function or object. So type of operator return object for object. So yeah, so object means we will get the output object in case of object or array or null. So let's do one thing. Check that type of which one? Null. So log, save. So it given object. Fine. Let's check that. Another one. Console.log type of which one? Where is the array? Above is the array data. Let's see. We got another object. Next one. To pass object like this way. We can pass name colon Mohan. Okay. So in all the three case, where is the type? In all the three case, be getting type is object. Okay. Another function. So type of what it given, type of function become function. So we had not checked this something. So it become here. Now, if you want to differentiate this all three, you know that array and object we can differentiate, but null I think we can't differentiate.
Sir,
Let's check.
In which case condition will get array, sir? Type of array, in which condition will get?
Type of array means
now we are getting object.
No. Object. Always we will get the object, but yeah, for array we can check is array dot is array. Oh. It will give true or false.
Yes, got it.
We will not get
value.
Correct. So we will not get that array completely written like there. So next, which was I checking? I forget. Null. Okay. Date. Let's see. 1 second. What is type of
object?
So type it given a string, but it have to give pass a new. Let's see. It given the object. Okay. So in all case you will get the object. Okay, so this way we can check the data type. So no need this one. Then data type of the type of operator is not a variable. Okay, operator plus and minus type of constructor property, no need. Then John dot constructor return the function dot a string. Okay, what is going to do? What it will do actually? Any idea? What it going to do? It nothing. It will return the function. 1 second. What it telling here? Yeah, return the function string. Let's go on example this one. 1 second. Dot constructor. Okay, so constructor property returns the constructor function for a variable on or an object. So it will return like this type, that whether this is a number or a string or boolean or whatever. So in our case we had used which one? That date. We had used the string. So it given the function and it returned the string function. Okay, means mostly we can tell that we are going to check the type of itself, nothing is there. So next you can check that is my array. Okay, here again it going to check that array equal to means this mostly are the type of. Undefined, already we know that what is the undefined. When we not providing the value, that become the undefined. Means see, I will show you one thing, just wait. Where is the, we will discuss this thing later also, that what is undefined actually. I will show you, we will, but not now, after some days.
Sir, in hosting, we already seen a null and undefined. Host.
Yeah, there also we had seen, but I will go through one more time. We will look at how JavaScript is working. Means what are the things we are getting output here, how these all are going, what is going happening inside
And
internally.
call stack also we'll see in.
Yeah,
We'll see call stack also.
we will look that one time, but not now. Time will come that time. Now see what happened. We have two data. One is a name value array, one is array data, and yeah, that too. And one is x, that is inside actually. So see, by default the value become undefined because no data is available there. Okay, but x is not there actually globally. So by default the value means when you will split that, when you will learn that what the flow of that any code, that time you will get that the initially all the variable getting undefined value, and slowly once the execution started, they getting the value. Okay, that is the process known as context execution, lexical environment. In the JavaScript we can tell that that is like a lexical environment. We will go through that how the process is going on, and why the variable is getting first undefined, then why getting the value, how that is coming on. Means complete environmental of that one. Otherwise if you want, I will give you one tutorial, you can refer that, you will got that idea. If not, then I will explain that. That's not required, but once you will got that thing actually, then you will got the real picture of the JavaScript, that how JavaScript is working behind the scene.
Yes, sir. It would be better, sir.
Yeah. Now we are imagine that this is happening, but internally how that is happening. Once you will got that one, then in interview, without thinking a single minute, you will explain that what will happen internally. Complete logical was there. Okay, so we passed the undefined, we can pass undefined also. This will also the work because undefined is a value also. So next is empty value, like just a string. Okay, null is there, null is nothing, let it to be undefined and null. What is difference between, already we had discussed, I'm not going to check that. Next is the type conversion. Suppose we want to convert, how we will convert, we already seen this one. Suppose you have to convert into a string, how to convert, with the help of which method? To a string method. There is one more shortcut is there. How, what was that
Plus
shortcut? What was that?
Plus we are going to enter.
Shortcut plus anything more. Suppose this is 5. Okay, this is a number.
Sir, with the help of code,
With the help of
code,
yeah,
single या
single.
double.
Correct. Like concatenation. You can tell that with the help of a concatenation. अरे ये ब्रेक तो हो जा पहले.
ब्रेक अब ठीक से लगा ही नहीं रहे हैं.
मैं जल्दी कर रहा हूँ कि जल्दी होगा ये पता नहीं. और देर कर रहा है.
मारिए थोड़ा से.
हाँ, मेरा सामान है तो तोड़ दे. सही कह रहे हो तुम.
टेस्ट कितना बजे से लीजिएगा? 5 बजे से.
4:30 है. 2 मिनट में ये खत्म होगा. 2 मिनट. मैं जल्दी कर रहा हूँ उसी में. हाँ, तो if I want to convert into a string, mute विवेकानंद. If I want to convert into a string, so विवेकानंद ये कौन है भाई unmute पे? If I want to convert into a string, what we will do? We can go with the method dot to a string. Correct? 1 second.
सर वैल्यू को ही यूज करने जा रहे हैं. पहले तो इनिशियलाइज कर लीजिए.
करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, वही मैं देखा. Data value equal to 5. Okay, let pass this one. Data value. And now I not going to do this one. I will check type of. That's it. Let's save. So what we got? Last line. We got number. I not want number. I want a string. So what we will do? We will convert this one in the form of a string with the method to a string. Okay, let's save. We got the function. Why it given function? Because to a string is a property or method. What is this one?
Method.
Let's see. So this is a method. Method means parenthesis. Now it converted into a string.
Sir,
Got it?
Is there any way to convert a string to array?
A string to array? Yeah, why not? We can loop, we can assign. Sure, we can convert. Okay, let it to be. Means we have to split the value or something. Yeah, I think two array method is also there. Let it to be.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनवा ना LLF के डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनवा फर्स्ट है.
ये संसाद
ऑब्जर्वेशन इन रिकॉर्डिंग.
तमिल पे सर संसाद.
चलो शांत रहो. देखो इधर. ओके, मुझे लगा ये अचानक से क्या हो गया भाई. हंगामा बोल क्या रहा है मुझे समझ ही में नहीं आ रहा है.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, so what we done? We used with the help of a to a string. Okay, let's do the same line of code, not with the help of to a string, with another one shortcut. What we will do? Just add plus and add empty and do plus. Means a concatenation. Check that. We got the string. What happened?
String 5.
1 second. We have to pass within bracket. Okay, it given that a string. Next, I not want this. Any more method is there? No.
रहने दीजिए, 2 काफी है सर.
Now this is your a string. Suppose this value is not number. This value is a string. And how you will convert into number?
With the help of to array method.
Array method will convert number.
Adding plus, sir.
Yeah. So just add plus. Okay. Let's see. So okay. One more method is there. What is the method? By means inbuilt method. Parse.
Parse int.
So we have to pass inside that. Parse int. And within parenthesis, we will pass this. Anyone having issue why be passing sometime parenthesis, sometime not? Any dot like that? If
Yes,
you have
sir.
dot, keep that inside. Don't be outside. Okay. Sometime we are passing here parenthesis. Sometime we not passing parenthesis because method or property. So if method, we have to pass parenthesis. We already seen that. And how we will verify that method or not? With the help of editor. Okay, so with the help of this, it converted into number, but I not want to convert by that way. What is the second one? Shweta told that. So we can add plus. So just add plus and let's see, be getting that. Yeah, so line number 96, it converted into number. So this way we had done. Got it? So this is type conversion. Something is there. You can check how we convert. I will not go each things. So same thing, whatever we had discussed, same thing is there. See that X is the number due to plus Y. Okay. And now converting number to a string, whatever we had seen just now, it will be here. So more method is there, exponential and that date and time is there. You already we had seen this thing, date and time, these all. Okay, this completed automatic conversion, this not need, this all means say 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is there, you can go through this. Then bitwise operator, we had already seen this, how to write bitwise operator. Anyone having any issue? Bitwise or is there? If you have issue, take admission in electronics department, you will get digital electronics, then you will learn more. Then right shift is there, left shift already we had seen.
Go, sir, go directly last one, sir.
Regular expression is there, man.
इंटेंशन तो वही है, भगाते चलो. केवल झांकी देते जा रहे हैं बस.
नहीं, रुकेंगे. सब्र करो, आया है रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन. अब इसमें टाइम लगेगा, फिर इसको अच्छे से देखा जाएगा. ओके, चलिए.
रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट.
रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन तो 5 मिनट का काम ही है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं हम लोग. /G/I नहीं लगाए क्या? लगा था या नहीं?